Attaboy.
Dog around. Howie, you got a bed right there. Why don't you lay in it? He's a little excited. Okay, it's December 15th. Doing something I've never done before. I'm gonna go on a solo pheasant hunting trip in South Dakota. The main thing I really want to do is I really just want to slow down and go at my pace. Just follow the dog around. Yeah, looking forward to it. There you go, Howie. There's Russ's farm. I don't see any cattle in here, so that's good. We'll probably go there this evening. Yeah, check out some different public spots I never went to before. But it is 20 to 10. We can start pheasant hunting at 10 in South Dakota, so we're just gonna cruise around, take it slow, and just see what we can come up with. Let's go. Start. I just gotta hit something. Good boy. Sheesh. You see it there. I'm right there. I find that hard to believe. That's the tree line right there. I'll take it. Good boy. Good boy. Shoot. Bummer. Get in there, bud. So the second stop we made, we walked a long ways. It wasn't until about the last 5 minutes we flushed 3. I hit one, landed. I didn't think I hit it very good, so I ran over there. I was calling Howie to get over there. By the time Howie got there, I could see him running, see the bird running through the grass. I didn't want to shoot because obviously Howie's on the ground. By the time I got up to him, he got into a cattail marsh. He was gone. So unfortunately, we didn't get that one. Then Howie pointed at one right directly in front of me. Go to fire, click. So I messed around with my safety quick. By the time I was able to get a shot off, he was quite a ways away. But we got on birds. There's birds. So eventually we'll get into something, I'm sure. Get him, How? Got him? Come on. Thought maybe you grabbed one. Oh, good boy. Oh, Howard. Attaboy. Attaboy. I knew he was after one. He locked him down in there, so I didn't even get a shot. But this thing might have been wounded before. I don't know. They're holding tight here, bud. Let's go. Okay, good boy. Drop. It's number 2. The first one I was able to shoot. That was a really tough shot. In the trees, I was able to dump it. So that was a pretty sweet one. It's a mature bird too. Good spurs. Howie was on it. He pointed at one time and it was running on him. and Howie actually ended up passing it, and I ended up flushing it and shooting it. But it was tall grass, easy running for him. But I have a feeling a lot of them are running. But then this one got stuck in the cattails, and that's why Howie was able to lock him down and get him himself. I'm not gonna hunt anymore in the rain. I'm frozen. Howie's soaking wet. We're just gonna cook some dinner here at the farm. Kind of excited. I'm in venison backstrap here. From a buck I was able to shoot this year, so cook that up. Hang out here for a little bit. Out of the rain, we're under a covered porch at the old farmhouse. This is way better than going out to eat. Good stuff. It's wet today. Rained all day, so get the boot dryer out. Dry the boots. It's day 2. We got some snow last night. Super foggy. Got out of the hotel room a little earlier so we could go look around a couple different spots. I kind of want to see if there's any spots I haven't hit here before, but it should be interesting with all the fog. We'll see. Shoot! Good boy, good boy. Fumbling with my safety. Good boy, keep going. Dang, I hit that one. Again, fumbling with that safety. What the heck? Good boy, Howie. Sorry, bud. 2 roosters, too. No hens yet. I mean, come on. Hen. Wow, Howie. Wow. Unbelievable. Way to work it, bud. Come on. Alright, so after the first walk, it wasn't 5 minutes, I was completely soaked. Howie's a wet noodle back there. They flushed 3, missed 2. Didn't get a shot at the 3rd one. They're all running. We could see tracks like crazy. I mean, there's tracks everywhere. And he would just work that whole stinking area forever. Then all of a sudden, boom, a hen takes off. I couldn't believe it. It was right next to us. The thing didn't take off for the longest time. He's not pointing very good right now, so I think a lot of that has to do with everything's in really thick cover and they have like little tunnels underneath everything. So they're running on them. Oh well, it's still fun. Can't get enough of it. So much for that idea. Nice, nice. Where is it? Wow. Really? Okay, drop. Okay, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Nice bird, good spurs. Beautiful bird. If that's my last one, I'm happy. So this is our last bird. He worked his tail off, but this stuff is so hard for him. These cattails are so big, it's literally a wall for him to go into. All in all, this is what we're after. Beautiful, gorgeous bird. I just love hunting. Until next time.